All right, so if you guys can see, it is heating up, and I can see it heating up in this area right here. And then the hood, if you guys can see, the hood is getting hot right here, right where it's needed, and you can see the coils going on. Now we're gonna take a look at the back, and this is where the actual heat actually comes out. And there's a couple coils in here, in this part right here, that's heating up right now. We have it in the hottest area right now, if you guys can see. So if you ever wanna keep warm on a cold day, or on a winter or snowy day, this is a perfect jacket for that. And if you guys can see, body heat keeps him super warm. He's heating up inside. He's about 80 degrees right now. And then coming down, you can see the actual thermal working very well. Keep him very insulating. So if you guys are looking for a great jacket, this is it. All right, so this man has been working construction in the field, and it's been raining and cold. So I got him this jacket. Now this jacket has some great features that's perfect for a gift or perfect for the snow. So right now, if you guys can see, there's two actual buttons in here. There's a hood and the vest. Now, you're gonna turn it on and it heats up either the hood or the vest. It means it's gonna heat up the actual entire chest and the back. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. There's three formats of heat, all right? You hold down the button, 1, 2, 3, it turns on. That means it's gonna start heating up the actual entire thing. When you hold this down too, it's going to start turning on the hood. Now, if you want to change the temperature to lower it down, this is how you do it, all right? Now we're going to go back to the heat. And if you guys can see, hood comes with the hood, has this double strings. We're going to open it up a little interior. Great material inside. Pocket for your actual batteries. One battery included with it. Not only was a battery included with it, but you can also charge your phone with it. Not only does it have pockets on the inside, one pocket for the, but it has two pockets. Long sleeve, perfect for any weather, snow, rain, or shine. Holidays are coming, great gift.